Hey everyone, Severusha here, and today I'm back with my first video of 2019. So today I will redraw a very old drawing of mine, and it's actually from 2012, and I remember being really proud of this drawing. I just liked the overall feeling, and for me it really had some emotion, and the coloring is just something I really like, but it's the combination of the pink and the blue and the sky. So now, almost 7 years later, I will do another attempt. I redrew this one in 2017 and in 2013. And I thought I made some big changes last year, so I want to redraw this drawing again, but now in my current style. Often these challenges are about how much you have improved anatomy-wise or color-wise, but I will just do this challenge to, of course, see if I improved. But I already saw that in the drawing I made in 2017, so this year I want to try and make it in my current style and see how that will look like. I feel like my new style is more simple, but I find it way harder to develop a simple style than a semi-realistic style. But this is just my opinion. And I noticed when I was working on my graduation project that I just fell in love with the simple illustration and cartoony styles. I thought they were really cute and not necessarily very pretty or anatomically correct, but the style just really appealed to me. And I just have deep respect for every illustrator out there with a very specific style. During that period, I noticed how hard it was to develop such a style, and having a realistic style, it mostly means you try to draw as close as to the original thing, person, or subject, but with a simple style, you need to find your own way to draw certain things. And that made me move away from the semi-realistic style. Though I sometimes still like to doodle with more details, because I'm just going to draw what I want to draw. But I also want to focus on a more simple style, because for me that is a bigger challenge than drawing semi-realistic. Others might think it is easy to have a simple style, but I don't think so. It needs a lot of creativity and skill to have and be confident with a simpler style. With illustration, it isn't about who is the best at drawing certain things, it is about how you make something your own. So yeah, for this redraw, I just really wanted to make this drawing in my simple style and see how it comes out. And I also have something funny to tell you, but I often only see mistakes in my art when I already started coloring the drawing. I don't know why I am so blind for mistakes when I make the line art. I just don't see it well. Is it just me, or do you also have this problem? Please let me know in the comments. I'm really curious if some of you also have this problem. So yeah, I made some mistakes. Or well, let's start this year positive. I drew some things I was not completely satisfied with, so I redid some things. I redrew her face a couple times, some of the hair and also her shoulders. And what I want to tell you is that it is okay to look away for some time to come back and change some things you do not like. Art isn't a race, so take your time and learn from the mistakes. Ask yourself what you don't like and start improving it, and this really helps me improve. And I also think this meme, it is actually called a meme on DeviantArt, so I'm just calling it a meme as well, is all about that, asking yourself questions. And it is actually good to make some mistakes and fix them later. This will help you improve at art. So for now, I will continue this drawing and I'll see you at the end of the video where I will compare the two drawings. So see you in a bit. And here we have the two drawings, and the left one from 2012 and the right one is the one I just made. And yeah, what do you guys think? I really like the new one. I think she came out really cute in my simpler style, but I still feel like it doesn't have that same atmosphere or emotion as the first one. But I think that is absolutely normal because I made this drawing with a certain emotion and with some creativity sparks in my brain, and yeah, I'm simply just recreating that picture but not with the same emotion because yeah, I cannot recreate the emotion. I have no idea what I was thinking in 2012. So I think it will always lack that certain feeling. But of course you can still improve the overall drawing. And yeah, it was a very fun experiment. and just to try and draw this one in my current style, and it was actually really hard, especially with the clouds. I mean, making puffy clouds wouldn't fit the style, so yeah, that was kind of hard, but I still think they came out really nice, and yeah, I'm overall very pleased with this drawing, and hopefully I can do it again next year. And for now, I just want to know which one of these you like, and I can absolutely understand if you like the first one better, because I still feel like it has some sort of energy what the other one doesn't have, but I still think I prefer the right one, but I'm not hating the left one either. I'm just happy that I improved and that I did this challenge again, and it was a lot of fun. So I really hope you enjoyed this video, and just let me know in the comments which one you like, or maybe you like both, or maybe you don't like them at all. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!